In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Udemy. Whether you've moved to a new location or need to update your currency and payment details, this simple process will help you get everything set up correctly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Udemy. Click on the official website to land on the home page. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. In the footer, you'll find a section labeled Help and Support. Go ahead and click on that to open the Support Center. On the Help and Support page, you'll see a search bar asking how Udemy can help you. Type in Change Country Settings and press Enter. A list of help articles will appear. The first one is usually the most accurate and up-to-date, so click on that to open it. As you scroll through the article, look to the right side of the page. There you'll find a Contact Us option. Click on it to start the process of getting your country updated. A chat window will pop up in the bottom corner of your screen. This is where you can explain your request to Udemy's support bot or a live agent if one is available. Simply tell them that you need to update your country or location details. They may ask for extra information to verify your account or confirm your new region. Provide the details they request and follow any additional instructions they give you. Once the support team completes the update, your Udemy account will reflect the correct country, currency, and regional content. And that's all it takes. You are now ready to browse and purchase courses with the right settings for your location. Thanks for watching and enjoy learning on Udemy.